I know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Alright, so what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm back here with another live cop for you guys. I'm not gonna cap, I'm pretty tired and I wasn't really initially gonna probably go for anything this drop, but I kind of want something. I kind of want the fleece. I originally wanted the BB Simon belt, but this shit's really expensive, so I was like, you know what, it's gonna have to be dropped. So unfortunately I'm not gonna be acquiring the belt, but I will be getting the North Face fleece. So if you guys didn't know, North Face and Supreme collabing for like the 1,000th time, but you know, they're gonna do what they do and still gonna sell them. So one of the items that I definitely know that's the jacket, not the fleece but the actual jacket with the vest, is like $798. So your boy is not looking too hot for buying that item. Or was it $698 or $700? I don't remember, but it's expensive, just know that. So your boy is not gonna be buying that. Your boy is gonna be buying the fleece because it's only, I think, $298, so $300, it's not too bad. I can see it not being anything more than $550 at drop day, so hopefully I can acquire it. I'm trying to get a black small, which is probably going to be the hardest one. For the EU drops, I heard the times were disgusting. The bright green one sold out first. The times were looking really scary, so I have no idea what to expect this drop. So the last live cop was just horrendous. I didn't end up getting anything, so, and I was supposed to edit it, I totally forgot. And it's just, at this point, it's just probably not gonna go in because it was just that bad. I haven't heard anything as far as lagging with the site or anything. I just heard that there's just really fast times. So hopefully I can cop something, because man, it's, ooh, oh boy. Apparently yesterday people were saying like the stock was very high. Unfortunately that was not the case. A lot of the items sold out super fast, so it's probably super limited. If you guys thought it was a high stock, remember, don't believe everything that you see on Twitter, Facebook, or whatever the case may be, because sometimes people are just gonna cap, so you don't end up copping. And same thing with the virus too. Same thing with the virus. If people were saying that the shit was closing down because of the virus, and don't believe them. They're just trying to finesse their way through the line, obviously, so don't believe them. Don't believe them at all. Hopefully I can cop, hopefully I can do what I gotta do, and hopefully I can do it. We got 2 minutes left of this drop, man. I'm just so tired. I'm just so tired. I don't know what to expect. I'm lying, I do know what to expect. Hopefully it doesn't lag like last time. It was super bad. And hopefully I can really cop this fleece, because the fleece is actually pretty dope. If I had a choice between actually keeping it, there's a likelihood I actually would keep it. But it's getting kind of warm over here, and it felt like it would just sit in my closet for a minute. So yeah, probably gonna end up reselling it anyway. Another tip though too, like you just saw, if you get card decline, keep the tab open, because sometimes it just takes a while for it to go through. So that's another tip for you guys. It's 8 o'clock. Let's go and get this money. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. There we go. What the heck? You're really capping right now. Okay, probably just didn't load into the site. I was about to say, okay. I just want to listen. Oh my god. Bro, I just loaded onto the site and it was sold out. Bro, what? People running their bots like crazy. Oh yeah, people running their bots. I hope orders get canceled. I really do. I hope orders get canceled, bro, because that was fast. Okay, whatever. We're gonna have to go for something else in the meantime. Oh shit. Pants. Oh my god. Oh, hold on.
Nope.
Bro, what is happening? Even the belt sold out? What is happening? Bro, oh my god. Oh yeah, the hats are selling out now. We're just gonna get a hat. Cause that was ridiculous, bro. That was ridiculous. Like, you can't be actually that for real, bro. Like that shit was incredibly fast. Okay, yep, we got that. Cool. As soon as I loaded onto the site, that is so disgusting, bro. As soon as they loaded onto the site, shit was gone. Like, what the heck? Like, I know the checkout times were like 3 seconds, but bro, God. Like, this shit just loaded, bro. You're telling me shit's already gone? Okay, so this could be a very good thing or a bad thing, because orders might get canceled. So that's a really good thing. That's what we want, because then that means there's just gonna be restocks, which I'm kind of anticipating, but at the same time I don't know, because even if there was a restock, people are gonna run their bots anyway. Still, the chances of me copying anything North Face is looking very slim at this point, because it's just, that was ridiculously fast. I had a better chance copying the bandana and BOGO than the North Face fleece jacket, bro. That makes honestly 0 sense. That's sickening, y'all. That is sickening. I have never witnessed something so fast before. What about the bags? The bags are still there. Should I get a bag? I'm not going to get a bag.
Nope. Nope.
If I were to get a bag, it probably would be the black one, because the black one is always the safest to go. See, the $700 ones are still there with the vest and everything, because those are way too expensive. But the fleeces flew. Like, they're gone, bro. Let's see, anything else? Those hoodies, no one wants those. The sweats flew too, surprisingly. Every 5-panel hat sold out besides the colors that I got. Of course. Got the red one, so. Of course. So it only makes sense, right? I only caught bricks, so it only makes sense. Your brick king's really here, so. Really taking full effect. Even the turtleneck sold out. That is insano mode. And then there's the Supreme North Face tee. That looks ugly as hell though, so I'm not copying that. That is ridiculous. These sold out so fast. Wait, I don't know why the 5-panel hat was still there, the red one. Like, because I got an order for confirmation, so I don't even know why that was still in the card. That was weird. That was actually really weird. I don't even know. I don't even know at this point, man. So much shit's happening. I'm just copying random shit, and it's just like, bro. Alright, we got the bag. $72, holy shit. Hopefully this shit is like $100 worth of resale, bro, because, oh my god, this shit was fucking ridiculous. Shit was fucking ridiculous, bro. Yep, so I got definitely some order confirmations. Yep, so I got the hat and I did get the bag. Alright, cool. Whatever. It was just, oh my god. Shit was just not it. It was just not it, y'all. I'm gonna keep this all with you. That shit was just not it. It was horrible. Horrible drop. Horrible drop. But that pretty much ends the video, y'all. Like, I don't really know much to say. That shit flew like crazy. There's most definitely gonna be a restock, I'm already knowing, but I'm not gonna stay up for that, to be honest. I'm just super tired. I'm super out of it. So make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel as always for the comeback kid. Make sure you guys go like the video as well if you like me doing this type of content, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notified that the content is here. So that being said, also, almost forgot, follow me on Twitter, IG, nice Mike, nice with 2 E's, _Mike, and we out. Deuces.